I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Friday, August 23rd. Soybeans ended the session higher, oversold and due for a bounce with some help from higher moves in soybean and crude oils. Also, the U.S. dollar index was down during the session, and that does help U.S. goods be more competitive on the export market. For the fifth day in a row, there was an announced sale of new crop U.S. soybeans. Soybeans also continue to watch development weather with a warmer, drier pattern on tap for parts of the region. Corn ended the session mixed, mostly weak, also watching development conditions and waiting for the results from a major private crop tour, which ran after the close. The numbers do look mixed when compared to the most recent guesses from the USDA, with the next round of USDA production numbers out on September 12th. And wheat closed lower, pressured by another lower move in global wheat prices, continuing to see relatively slow export demand when you take into account the quality and yield issues in some key growing areas around the world, including France, Germany, Russia, and Ukraine. Live and feeder cattle were mixed, mostly lower ahead of the USDA's cattle on feed numbers, which were out after the close. The trade was not able to really find any support from the higher midday move in box beef, instead focusing on the week's direct cash cattle business, which was lower than a week ago. And hogs ended the session mixed, mostly higher, with pork up at midday, getting ready for the USDA's cold storage numbers, which were also out after Friday's close. With the closing market minute for Friday, August 23rd, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.